My name is Andy Chen. I'm currently the president of IEEE TEMS. And TEMS stands for Technology Engineering Management Societies within IEEE. I'm also held many roles in IEEE, including vice president for conferences for system consoles. And I have venture capital investments, and I have many other roles. This conference is very important. It's very important in the regions. This region has a huge potential in the Middle East region. It's also reached out to Africa as well. We attract a lot of African participants that come into this conference, and the potentials are huge. The reach and impact that we could do to the community to improve the AI and IoT community it's great here to be able to have a conference that actually getting a lot of tractions and a lot of support from both the academia, industries, and the government of Dubai. So this is fantastic. It is very difficult. Most countries, especially some of the Middle Eastern countries, the academia and industries and government are silos. They are kind of only within themselves. And it is very important to be able to get industry and academia to work together, yes, so that the researchers can do the right researches for the needs of the industries. And the government can set the directions and the strategies, because it is the most important thing is the government will decide what the country is going to be, and it will set the strategies for the countries. And technology needs to support our strategies. Both that and the business require the same thing for the business strategy. So this conference is the key to bring those people together and to be in the same session, in the same panel for discussions, mix them together. And I think that is the key to the success. Technologies played a huge role in dealing with the global pandemic. To start with, it allows you to do the testing and the detections of the diseases. Many of the detection diseases testings are based on the new technologies. Now, more importantly, the vaccine itself, having the technologies developed that can recognize the DNA of the virus and be able to produce something within weeks rather than years, are all relied on technologies. And we are really fortunate because it saved a lot of lives around the world because of the technologies. And what it does, what you need is technology that's smart enough that can communicate and can tabulate all different results and be able to allow you to quickly analyze the result. And all that requires a lot of data, a lot of intelligence, artificial intelligence, to analyze those data. So for that, I think this pandemic if it wasn't for the technologies, the AI, the 5Gs that we communicate, would have been a disaster, a lot more disaster than what it has is right now.